In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or deactivate a member from a workspace in Slack. This is a useful skill to have, particularly for those of you who manage a team or workspace and need to maintain an organized and secure environment. Our focus today will be on the steps applicable to most Slack workspaces, specifically those using Slack's free, Pro, or Business Plus plans. It's important to recognize that your ability to perform these actions depends on your role, which should be either as a workspace owner or an admin. Let's start with getting into Slack on your desktop or through your web browser. Once you have Slack open, you'll need to navigate to the sidebar. Here, you'll find your workspace's name. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu giving you access to several options. You're going to hover your mouse over the section that says Tools and Settings. This action will display additional options, and you should select Manage Members from this list. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the members currently part of your workspace. Now that you're on the Members page, it's time to locate the individual you wish to remove. This list may be long, depending on the size of your organization, so take your time to scroll through if needed. Once you've found the person, there will be a set of 3 small dots, often called the More Options button or ellipsis, right next to their name. Go ahead and click on these dots. Clicking these dots will present you with a few different options. To remove or deactivate the person, select the option that says Deactivate Account. By choosing to deactivate, you will effectively remove them from the workspace in several important ways. First, it will immediately sign them out from all devices they had been using to access Slack. Second, it will remove them from any channels they were a part of, ensuring they no longer have access to ongoing or future conversations within the workspace. It's worth noting that by deactivating their account, you do not erase their history. Past messages and files that the person shared will remain within the workspace. This can be beneficial for maintaining a complete, contextual history of your workspace's communications and files, even when the member is no longer active. And there you have it, a straightforward method to ensure your workspace remains secure and managed efficiently. Keep these steps handy, especially if you regularly manage team changes or need to make updates to your workspace member list. Following these instructions will help you maintain a well-organized workspace that's both effective and secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.